In today's video, I'm going to show you this hidden formatting shortcut that will save you time right here in the Google Sheets app using your iOS devices. So I have my Google Sheets app open on this iPhone right here. And if I want to quickly format these two columns right here into currencies, this is how I'm going to do it. So first, I'm going to select that first column right here. There you have it. Then go to the Format tool at the top. Then I'm going to select Cell on the next tab and go to the number format on the 5th row. There we have it. So if we want to put this in currency, we have two options. We have the currency with decimal points and currency rounded without decimal points. If we click on the rounded one, there we have it. We've successfully inserted currencies onto our column right here. Let's do the same thing on the next range or on our next column. Here we have it. Select that column, go back to the Format tool, go to Number Format and select Currency Rounded. And there you have it. We have quickly formatted those columns into currencies with that shortcut right here in the Google Sheets app on this iOS device. Now, if you want to learn more on how you can use your Google Sheets app on your Android or on your iOS device, I will be linking a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.